Hello everyone, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel English with Shyam Patidar. Today again I am with you with another GD. Here are 4 students from basic classes. They have just completed their basic in 30 to 40 days. Now they are ready to discuss with me on a given topic. I will give them a topic, they will speak one by one. You are from basic, some of you from basic class spoken, so you can speak freely. Don't think about mistake. Okay, but before we start the session, I just would like to introduce them. So first of all, you please.
So hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Vivek Kumar Yadav. I am from UP Gazipur city. I came here for learning English.
Okay. Nikunj, please.
Hello everyone, this is Nikunj Vakode and I am from Khandwa. So I am continuing my spoken classes. So now I am very excited to participate in this GD.
Okay, yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Siddhi Vakode and I am from Khandwa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Patel. I am from village Temi.
Okay, you are from village 10. So now guys, they are from different batches, and if we are talk about our topic, so today we are going to discuss that which mode of class is better, offline classes or online classes. Alright, nowadays online classes is very popular. So whatever you think, you will get chance to speak about your point one by one. So are you ready everyone? So I think we should start. So guys, let's get started. Alright. Who's going to start?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So hello friends, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for allowing me discuss in this topic, interesting topic. So I prefer and support online education. So if you talk about online education, need of the hours, as you know that online education has become a need of hours, and it keeps social distancing during COVID-19 pandemic time. So we all should value of online education, and after that we can say time flexibility and no traveling. So as you know that online education class student don't have traveling anywhere, because they can take class easily at home.
Yes.
So it is save save a lot of time.
Okay. So Nikunj, what do you think? Yes. Give him a mic.
So my preference goes to online classes because it gives us in a comfort zone that we are having it and much easily, and it is most promoting the online classes, the best teachers of India. We can communicate with them. We do not have to travel much and easily communicate them. Many online apps such as Byju's, Vedantu are also promoting them with the good teachers and to be good study tips. So I think online classes is the much better than the offline classes.
Okay, that's really great. Siddhi, what do you think?
I think online classes is not good for students because students create many problems. Rural area students are not a good internet, provide a good internet. So that's why you are not listen a teacher's voice in properly, and that's why many problems create. My personal opinion is I'm attending online class and sir told something, so I'm written a wrong way, wrong
Yes,
words,
yeah.
because I'm not listen properly. So I think that sir told that word. So this copy give my friend. So this problem same problem this copy also. So that's why online class is not good. Offline class.
In short, teachers, whatever teachers are telling to you, you are not getting their voice properly. So we can't listen good. So how can you expect that we will get the concept in a better way? So according to you, offline classes are better. Yes.
Sir, in my opinion, offline classes are better than online classes, because when we attend offline classes, so we can learn properly and easily, because when we attend online classes, so we are able to learn properly because teachers are also in the class, so we can ask question also and we can clear our all doubts and all concepts. So offline classes is good for us because in offline classes we can learn so many things, and teachers teach properly in offline classes. Because if we talk about offline online classes, so their teachers don't teach properly.
Okay. Vivek, what do you think?
So if you talk about online classes, so we can say in online class all type course available.
Yes.
So student they can take a class and choose any course and easily they can take class at home. And after that we can say a very comfort in online education, very comfort for student and physical handicap. So because they can take class at home, very comfort, and it is good for physical handicap person.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
But you
Speak loudly. Yes.
You say online class is better than for your comfort zone at home. But you are not communicate all other persons. You go to offline classes and you also make many friends and you ask your problems.
Okay. How will you boost your confidence? Nikunj, I am going to ask you the question. Suppose you are attending online classes regularly at your home. No one is there with you. So how will you improve so many things? Because in education there is not only one thing just to learn the concept about the chapter. You need to know about the communication skill. Okay, you have to good in communication skill as well as you need to boost your confidence. So by meeting with strangers, by meeting with people, you can get your confidence up to the level. What about it? Yes.
So first clear out your old doubts. I want to say that you are saying about the voice clarity and the much things that are not good in the online classes. So there are many much high HD apps are also available.
But my question is not that. I am going to ask you how can you boost your confidence? Because until you meet people, how will you come to know about the real problem in the life? What do you think? In education, only learning concepts are enough? What do you think? Yet there are so many other things like skill especially. You have to build skill about communication. Then how will you boost without talking to people?
Now it's depend on you how you are making efforts from you.
Yes.
And how efficient are you. So being good results and good output to give that the teacher is giving you an input. So it's depend on the person that how it is behaving in online classes and how it gives output. So I don't think we should need any offline classes, and my first priority is given to the online classes.
Okay, Vivek, just give him a mic. I just want to ask you a question, and I will also ask to you. Suppose after this pandemic, still we are suffering from this pandemic, would you like to be the part of the online classes? Would you like to change this situation? It means after when this lockdown would not be here, we would be free totally from this pandemic, from this corona. Okay, so will you continue attend online class? What do you think?
Sir, when we are need, so we can go and take offline class, no issue. But during pandemic time, very important for people.
Yes, very important. And you are just have this mic and give this mic. You're talking about it. So in online classes, I'm going to ask very simple question to both of you. In online classes, we can attend class from anywhere. But in offline, there is one particular place where we have to go every day. So if you are a job holder, if you are a housewife, so in that case, what will you do? You can't go, you can't leave your children, because if you are a housewife, you are having so many responsibilities. You have to feed your family. You have to do household work. But if you are attending online classes, so you can attend at your place, so you can save the time of traveling. You will not have to waste. I'm not talking about city like Khandwa. Here we can reach anywhere in 15 minutes, in 20 minutes. But if you talk about metro city, so there is traffic issue, there is so many issues. So don't you think about that we can save our time? What do you think?
Sir, not a not a pandemic situation. After that, also continue this situation. Housewife and other job holders are also go in offline classes. So now time come in online classes.
Yes.
So
Nowadays, just because Corona time is just like exception, we have to think about it in a different way. But before lockdown, there was nothing like online classes, but still people getting education. So what is the important to have another mode of education? I am going to ask anyone, especially you too. What is the important to have another mode? Offline classes were good. Yeah, if we make this current situation as an exception, like this corona is exception, just don't think about corona and just imagine there is no corona. Then will you prefer online class also?
Sir, in modern day, sir, no any people go to anywhere.
Yes.
Because sir, when we are go to coaching, so that time our screen problem. So I no need go to coaching.
Okay, there is no need to travel. Rohit, what do you think? Why do you think that offline classes are far better than online classes?
Sir, offline classes better because I have attended before online classes. So in online classes, I saw that teachers ask to students that are you in the class? Are you in the class? Are you listening to me? So it is a big problem for in online class. So in 1 hour class, they teach only for 20 and 30 minutes.
They are wasting
Yes,
time.
it is wasting our time.
Why? What do you think?
sir, really that time teachers are also disturb this online classes because students are not carefully in this attend these classes, and teacher are also ask you are understand this problem, you are understand, but teacher students are not give any answer. He also
Yes,
mute
there
this.
are so many issues. There is a audio problem, there is a connection problem. Teachers can't teach, even they are having interest to teach, but somehow there is technical issues. So what do you think about it?
Yes, this occurs many times, but I have spoken also already that teachers should give a high quality app which do not occur this sort of problems. And I want to say in modern life in future there will be no offline classes and nothing about this. So what will you do? You should be get practice about it. I think
Okay. Right now, so many teachers are not aware that how to conduct online classes. Then how do you expect from those sort of teachers to teach in online class? What do you think about it? No, because teachers from very old age, they are not as comfortable with technology as they should be. So what about them? And they are teaching online class. They don't know how to use it. They are calling a new kid from a new generation, a kid from new generation. So what is it?
yes, this sort of
Is India ready to this? What do you think?
I think that the changes should occur in our society, and the thing that they do not, so everything the person do not knows about it, but after learning, after practicing, they able to learn about it. So it do not occurs this problem. They will start asking people how to use it, and they will be ready to face this problem.
Okay, so now we are concluding here. One by one, you all have to conclude this topic. So first of all, Vivek, please give him a mic. Okay, yes.
Sir, and second thing, sir, ability of pre-recorded class. So, in my point of view, you can see online education class student can watch video and understand again and again, but it is not possible in offline class.
Yes.
And after that, no age barrier. So online education class student, online education very effective for all age
Of people. Yes, that's
So,
really great.
Yeah, and after that, no need carry heavy bag. You can see this time all student offline education, all student carry heavy bag. So it is very difficult for a student. So and Okay.
Okay, that's really great, Vivek. That's now yes, Siddhi, have this.
You say about ki
You have to conclude. All right. Now the time is over when you will ask the question. You have to just conclude. Yes.
suppose you study in the night, so that time you have any doubt, so you do not discuss in your teacher, because your teacher is not available in a whole day.
So
So I can watch any video.
So that's why you also go to offline classes and also ask your sir ki sir my doubt is, so you can also repeat and repeat.
But this time, suppose that you are learning spoken class, okay? So whenever you will go to any competitive exam preparation, Delhi and Allahabad, example for IAS, UPSC and JEE. So that time that time you can see, we will see one batch minimum 250 and मतलब 200 to
yeah.
200 and 300 student, one batch. So how will you ask any question that
yes,
time?
in offline classes, have you courage to ask if you are more than 200, if you more than 300?
Yeah.
Definitely. Normally it is very difficult.
But you have confidence, so you are also asked.
Normal. So it can be also possible in online classes. In online classes, you can ask very easily, because nobody is going to see who is asking doubt. Rohit, what do you think?
Sir, if you are talking about offline classes, so problem is also in online classes, because like sometimes we have to face network problem, and sometimes data runs out in our mobile. So at that time we can't attend online classes. So if you talk about offline classes, so there is no such a problem in offline class.
Nikunj, what do you think?
The conclusion is that the whole classes are good, but the issue containing the both side, I can say the point that e-text, we are just having too much books to be study, but e-text is having in our PC, and we can easily
Digest.
easily understand what is going on. But to having too much books and too much place to be getting knowledge, so I think e-text is the good way to study, and many points which is good to study. And if you consider that if we have if we have doubt, so we can go to offline classes. But if next day is our exam or anything condition, so mobile is also having to us, we can ask our doubts and getting in few seconds our doubt. So I think it's much better than offline classes.
Okay, now they have just completed their basic now. Alright, so I think we all should appreciate their efforts. So what do you think personally? As always in my every GD, I asked to all my viewers, what do you think personally? You can also comment that, sir, I think offline classes is better. If you think that online classes are better, so whatever you think, you can share in comments. Okay guys, so it is enough for this video. If you like the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.